Greetings, everyone. I hope everyone is grand. Kandenze ezwe greetings. Vele ngifile ngathi ndiya-acta. Bona those people who are busy doing like for imali. As YouTube London zabo bazenzela imali. When insenze into zezi greetings is does not feel right. I don't know, maybe someone got trained for this way. Because even our intention is not to make these videos. Like for imali nje bantu be serious one wathini yabo. But I'm just keeping these ideas because you know alive in kune moments where when you are alone you begin to see izinto clear. Sometimes even though like to be a lonely person, it does not mean there's something wrong about you, even though most of us will try to figure out maybe what's wrong in Gam. Never. Because but this thing is it's a truth and a living thing. So now what I'm trying to share here is that whenever I do shoot eyes clips, the ideas and the energy to focus and stay kulo nto benifuna ukuthetha ngayo, it shifts. As soon as I light the phone and then I start to do this thing, I can feel the shift of energy within, you know. It's more like when I'm not in front of the phone, I have a lot of flooded ideas that I would like to share here with the platform. Yeah, but when I get there and I try to do what I feel I must do it, and sometimes naleyo kunewari nje izidumo yabo endivele ndibe nazo la winto ba enoba ezi videos zizawufikelela kwezi audience ndibawela zifikelele kuzo yabo. And the more I think of these things, ziza ne-worry is unnecessary yabo. So sometimes ndivele ndibe nalaa ba I think andizenze this video, I mustn't do these greeting things. So greetings, what. No. I'll just enlight the video, then I'll get into the point and then shut it out. That's all I think it's gonna be good for me, because these greeting things and what nazo zezinye ezivele ziyishifte mind yabo, because the way I na rehearsals and then I don't go and rehearse what I'm going to reason about. It depends what imani fila ntoni ngeso sikhathi yabo. So apha ndifuna ukukhe ndibe ne-series endiyiranayo yabo. Seninzi what the ideas i-series enazo, but endiyifunayo ndifuna ukhe ndirane i-series okanye ndenze enye i-series apha ethi, I don't know igama yabo, but like mna I've been fascinated about life itself yabo, ubomi nje general and all things that are part of life. Yeah, so and ke ngoku nalaa nto kuthiwa kuqabuka, yabona xa ukhula ungumntu uyaqabuka. So I believe nam I've reached that level kuthiwa yokuqabuka. Xa uthi uqabuka oku kuthethwa ngawe emekasi, noba ngenxa uba ungesengomntana ungazenzi izinto dume at least. No, ndithi ukuqabuka to know what the fuck is going on in this world. Find a good way of ukuphila, find a good way yokwenza life wakho ube right ngale ndlela ufuna ngayo, yabo. So ndi-interested kakhulu nge-life, and ndi-interested njenge-life ndine-issues sometimes in life. I would like to ask more, yabo, ukuthi why things ezithile zisenzeka ngalo, even no matter there is no answer that I could get, just to express that positive thought, because I've learned ukuthi apha elifini what you are thinking about, it is impossible that it's only you who is thinking about that thing, because the mind is one. It's more like every human being's brain is linked into a mega brain that supply all other brains, right? All other brains imitate or function as the one big brain, yabo. So ndi-interested i-life nabantu akwethu, yabo, and ke ngoku ndi-interested nje i-life, ininzi into endithi yandiyi-observa ndiyibone uba iyingxaki apha elifini, yabo. And zizingxaki nje apha elifini, sometimes we tend to see these problems, like especially sisifamily sihleli kwi-gatherings and all other spaces, yabo. So for now ndizawuyiqala loo concept mhlawumbi this one, le video for the introduction, yabo, of le series ndifuna uyenza, and ndifuna uzenza zibe ncinci mani videos, zibe ngo-10 minutes maximum or 15, yabo, 10 to 15 minutes or 20, not more than that. But if it's more, I think 30 is enough. I don't want to go beyond or 40 minutes ndithetha into eyi-one, yabo. So also I believe ukuthi as much I would like to speak and explain myself, I still have a lot also now to learn. Also I have a lot also to limit. La nto kuthiwa amazwi amaninzi awucima umbeko, okanye ke umbengo omkhulu uyawucima umlilo. Ya, amazwi amaninzi ayashut down into edibene nombengo namadoda xa eqhuba izinto. Uthi qha wena namazwi akho ayi-125. Ya, so andiyani uba ndizawuvele ndithi igama lalena, ndithi igama lale series life, yabo. Thathe ngothi life qha ibe ngu-life series, life part 1, life season 1, life season 2, life, yabo. It's either ndiyabona uba ndizayikhathagorize kanjani, yabo. And another thing that is so nice, and it's also is difficult,